How to delete your Indiamart account permanently. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Indiamart account permanently. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Indiamart app. And then once you're in the app, you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here. And then here scroll down and tap on settings in the bottom here. Now here in settings you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then tap on disable account and then here tap on disable and then here it says, are you sure you want to remove your listing from Indiamart? You have to tap on yes. Then here it says, why do you want to remove your listing from Indiamart? So select any one of this reason and tap on submit and deactivate. So I'm just gonna select this first reason, my business is closed, and then tap on submit and deactivate. And now in 24 hours your account will be automatically deleted. And so this is how you can delete your Indiamart account. Thanks for watching.